Hi everyone, happy Prime Day. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Nastasia. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok if you haven't done so as well. So excited to share with you guys the deals in today's video. As always, the links to everything that I talk about in today's video will be in the description box down below. Without further ado, we can just jump right into it. Now, the first thing that I'm super excited about, it is coming in at 19% off, which I think is a huge discount for this. That is just the Dyson Airwrap. I love this thing. In my opinion, my hair is like so much healthier from using this. Before, I was using one of those like cheapy Revlon brushes, and I loved it in the beginning, but I did notice a difference in doing my hair long term with it. Decided to invest a little bit more money, and I did get the Dyson Airwrap. I think it's worth every penny. I can't believe it's on sale because I did pay full price for it. I even think that it's worth buying without it being on sale, just because the overall health of my hair, it's such a good quality hair tool, and you can do so many different things with it. You can like straighten your hair, curl your hair, you get all the cool little attachments, and again, it's like so much better on your hair health. I cannot recommend it enough. Next up, coming in at 21% off, is just this Amazon Ecoshow little tablet. I love this. It reminds me, I always call it like the little mini frame TV. I think that these are awesome. I think these are great to have in like your kitchen just as like an overall organizer. They can tell you when your Amazon packages are coming. You can use it for the virtual voice assistant, or you can just use it to take notes, keep track of the time as the calendar. You can add family photos. So many different things you can do with it, and you can actually download apps to watch shows on it too, which is super cool. So I feel like this is a really great option to either put in the kitchen, or I've seen a lot of people put it in their bathroom. So like as they're taking a bath, they can be like watching their favorite shows. Super cool, and great that it is on sale. Coming in at 35% off is just this air cleaner. Now, I am a super big on air cleaners. I personally have a different brand than this one. However, once I expand and get a larger home, I will go for one of this brand as well. I like to look at all the details and all of the things that it filters out of the air. I think is super important. So to get a high quality one like this on that discount of 35% off, today is definitely the day that you want to go ahead and buy it. So I would highly recommend checking that out as well. If you don't have air cleaners in every room of your home, you are making a huge mistake. Next up, coming in at 36% off. I cannot believe these are 36% off. I paid full price for these. These were like my little Stagecoach glasses. I love getting like a cheap pair of glasses to wear just in case I lose them, or I can just wear them in the pool. These are very much so like designer-esque, designer-inspired, you could say. Very beautiful, very unique frame shape, but again, such a great price point to get these at. Great for just like a casual everyday sunglass. They really do spice up all of your outfits. All right, coming in at 20% off is just this clothing hamper. I love this one on wheels. If you're looking for a clothing hamper that isn't a complete and total eyesore, this one is the one to go for. It's just gorgeous. Also very convenient that it's on wheels. You can kind of wheel it around. So if you don't keep your hamper in your actual laundry room, very easy to transport your dirty and clean clothes, whatever you choose to use it for. So really great option there, and I love that it's at this discount. Another Dyson product at 20% off is just the Dyson Airstraight. Very tempted to buy this. I do think that the Airwrap does a great job, and this is just a completely different tool, but for me, I can't really justify it all the time. I'm kind of like, well, you have the Airwrap and you love it so much, but I am curious to see like how this would work. I've seen several girls with my same hair texture that just love it, and I'm also thinking that maybe I could switch back and forth, but for the 20% discount, definitely on my wish list, and I am very tempted to get it. Element, which is just my absolute favorite electrolytes that I use. I have one of these probably once a day, especially when I'm going into the sauna. My little hack for not getting weak or lightheaded or anything when going into the sauna for the longer sessions, because I do a 45-minute session, is that I will put one of these in my water, and I bring my water inside the sauna. So as I'm rehydrating, I'm also replenishing those electrolytes. Serious game changer. These taste absolutely amazing. They have really good ingredients for being like an on-the-go electrolyte packet. I love these, and they are on sale today, so definitely check those out. Another Dyson product offered at 36% off, which is crazy. I love these Dyson purifier fans. It is definitely warm this season, and this is a really great time to snag it, especially at 36% off. Another Dyson product that I paid full price for, I still think is worth the full price quality. These are very quiet. They have like a little remote control that you can operate them with, but they do a great job at like cooling down a room. So if you're in the market for a fan also that isn't a total eyesore, I would definitely check out this Dyson. All right, the Le Creuset pans are on sale. It's only certain ones. I do see that it's the cast iron that I'm particularly eyeing, but I feel like there might be a few other options on sale for Prime Day. I just wanted to include this one. I feel like their signature iron pans are just amazing quality, and again, really great. You can cook a lot of different things on them. So I just think that they're really good, high quality pans to check out. Great to get them on a discount, but I love them particularly just because you're investing in that product and then you don't have to like continuously rebuy it. So I do think that it is a great deal. Next up, crazy enough, there are actually some really great Apple deals. So first up, we have the Apple iPad, which again, finding Apple products on any sort of discount, I feel like is few and far between. So the fact that these are actually on sale is great. I personally love my iPad, great for organization, great for watching shows on the go, traveling, just kind of like a good item to have and great to snag while it is on this discount. You also have the over-the-ear headphones, which I've been wanting these for so long. These Apple headphones are insane. I've used them before and just like tested out the quality. Really good sound quality, really great, especially if you're a content creator, great for editing or for traveling, things like that. I do know people that love to work out in them. It's honestly just personal preference, but again, these are on sale as well. Another great sale is just this window vacuum cleaner. I have absolutely been just like loving keeping my home super clean and sanitized with these different cleaning gadgets. That's kind of like my new thing. I've like taken it a step further and I look at all these different gadgets. This one is insane. I've seen several TikToks about it. You can really clean like glass shower doors really well with this, or if you just wanted to like clean your windows in your home with this, give them a nice clean. I feel like these are really great and it does a great job. People rave about this product, so definitely snag it while it is on sale for Prime Day. All right, I talk about this all the time. You guys know it's been like one of my favorites. I talk about it literally all the time. It is 28% off today. It is the Hatch alarm clock, the newer version. It is so aesthetically pleasing. These are perfect. They make great alarm clocks. They have like the sunrise feature. You can sync it to an app on your phone. You can use it as a sound machine. So many different lovely features with this alarm clock, and the fact that it is on sale today is definitely your time to check it out. All right, this General Electric ice maker is always a favorite for everyone, and I did have to include it because it is going back on sale for Prime Day. I know this is usually on the top of everyone's wish list, so I definitely wanted to include it in today's video and just share with you guys that it is on sale. This would be a really great option. I actually don't have an ice maker at the moment either, but I don't quite have enough counter space that I'm willing to sacrifice to get this, but it still is on my wish list because I love the different ice that this makes. All right, and then the Breville Express Barista is on sale. It's 27% off. Another great time to check out and get like a real espresso machine if that is something that is on your wish list. And I know that this one again is a really good one and people love this. So a great time to check it out at this really great sale. Again, I love Prime Day, so you're just like able to check out some really good brands too that have really great deals. All right, and then I wanted to include the Shark Flex Style as well. It is on sale for 21% off, and it's also another good option for your hair. So I did own this before I owned the Dyson Pro, and just being honest with my hair type, like having such curly hair, I personally think the Dyson does a much better job. However, you are spending double the money, so I don't think that the Shark by any means did a bad job, especially because I feel like they're not comparable. When you're bringing in things that are so far off in price point, you're obviously going to sacrifice a little bit of the quality, getting something for half of the price of the Dyson. But if you don't want to spend the Dyson money, because I know it is an investment, the Shark is a great second option. Also, I feel like if you have like straight hair, the Shark would be just fine for you, and you don't necessarily need the Dyson, but it's just kind of, I guess, boils down to personal preference. But I did want to include this because it's also on sale. All right, and then we have the Dyson V11 vacuum for 30% off. You guys know I'm a Dyson girly. I use my Dyson vacuum. I personally have the V11 V11 and I love it. It's great. I love the fact that it's cordless. I just like use it everywhere. So if you are in the market for a new vacuum and you wanted to spend a little bit more money, get something a little bit higher end for a vacuum, this one is a really great option to check out on this discount. And then last but not least, these teeth whitening strips, they are like more of like an enamel safe route. Obviously whitening your teeth on any type of like whitening product isn't always like recommended or the best, but I hear that these are a little bit better and people rave about them. I believe they're coming in around like 10% off, but honestly any discount is good for me. So those I also have on my wish list to pick up. That is everything that I wanted to share with you guys for today's video. As always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check the links in the description box down below to shop everything I talked about in today's video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!